Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you an update that Microsoft is letting people know about. And it's regarding the classic Outlook, where sometimes the mouse cursor will just completely disappear. So, I wanted to share this with you and even share a workaround on how you can get it to come back up. So, as you can see, Microsoft says a bug in classic Outlook hides the mouse pointer. Microsoft is investigating a known issue that causes the mouse pointer to disappear in the classic Outlook desktop email client for some users. The bug has been acknowledged almost 2 months after the first reports started surfacing online, with users saying that Outlook became unusable after the mouse pointer vanished while using the app. My mouse just stopped being visible while I'm using Outlook. This is very, very frustrating because my permission wasn't given to make these changes, and now I can't find anything. Can't open emails, can't copy and paste, and the list goes on and on. Now, that's what one customer said. Microsoft explained in a recent support document that the mouse pointer and in some cases the cursor will suddenly vanish as users move it across Outlook's interface, and noted that this bug will also affect some users of other Microsoft 365 apps. Now, when using Classic Outlook, you may find that the mouse pointer or mouse cursor disappears as you move the pointer over the Outlook interface. It said, although the mouse pointer is not there, the email in the message list will change color as you hover over it. The issue has also been reported with OneNote and other Microsoft 365 apps to a lesser degree. Now, Microsoft added that the Outlook team is investigating the issue and will provide updates as more information becomes available. But in the meantime, Microsoft is asking affected users to have their Microsoft 365 administrator open a support case with the Outlook support team and submit diagnostic log files to assist with the analysis. While a timeline for a permanent fix is not yet available, Microsoft has offered three temporary workarounds that require affected users to click an email in the message list when the cursor disappears, which may cause it to reappear. Alternatively, switching to PowerPoint, clicking into an editable area, and then returning to Outlook may also restore the mouse pointer. And if neither one of those works, Microsoft said that restarting the computer should resolve the issues temporarily. And then last month, Microsoft fixed another classic Outlook issue that prevented Microsoft 365 customers from opening encrypted emails after installing the December 2025 updates. And I have the page pulled up from Microsoft that states that you can try those workarounds. So, again, when you hover over the Outlook message list, and the email color shade changes to a different color, go ahead and select that email, and then this may cause the mouse pointer to reappear. If that doesn't do it, again, go ahead and open PowerPoint, click into an editable window in PowerPoint, and then click back to Outlook and check if you have your mouse pointer again. And then lastly, just go ahead and restart the computer. But one of those three should fix the issue, at least temporarily, with you not having the mouse pointer in Outlook, at least until they can go and do enough diagnostics with other customers in order to get enough diagnostic logs so that they can fix this problem with Classic Outlook. So I thought that might be helpful and informative in case you happen to be using Classic Outlook on your computer and the mouse pointer just disappears all of a sudden, and what you can do to fix it. Now, if you do have any questions about this, or maybe you just need me to go into a little bit more depth about this, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like, did you know that Microsoft just announced that Classic Outlook is having another issue with the mouse pointer disappearing? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all, including the fixes. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.